How to scan Viber QR code. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can scan Viber QR code. For that, you'll have to open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now on this page here at the bottom right, you will find 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to access a new page. Once you reach to this page here at the top right, you will find the QR symbol. Click on this QR. Once you open this QR scanner, now hold your device steady and point the camera at the Viber QR code. Make sure the QR code is well lit and not blurry. Your device may automatically recognize the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, you will be directed to a specific chat or contact. Now you can click on the send message and start chatting with the person. In this way, you can scan QR code on Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.